I'm Dr. Craig Butler, your Northwest Ohio chiropractor, and this is Sarah. Sarah came in last week and she injured her low back lifting weights.
Yes.
She lifts pretty heavy.
Try.
Try. Okay. So this is about her 4th or 5th time here, and she's strained her left SI joint. So she's doing much better. She's getting back into light lifting. She's not lifting heavy yet. So we're going to show you what we've been doing with her. So it's really feeling a lot better, just like a slight restriction on the left SI joint. And a little tight spot right there today. Everything feels really good. So this should go nice and easy. So you lay on your right side. It's Thursday. She came in last Monday, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And so we've been working on the SI joint. So that's where the ilium and the sacrum come together and form the sacroiliac joint. And that was pretty jammed up. It was all spasmed. Do a little adjustment here. There it goes. Good. And then go over the other side. She bounced back pretty quick.
Definitely. How bad I was.
Yeah, she was in pretty bad. She was in worse shape than I thought she was when she walked in. And so about 5 adjustments, which, all right, lay on your back, which that's about average for like a new injury, at least in this office, like a basic sprain injury like that. Usually 4 or 5 adjustments over a couple of weeks and people are feeling kind of getting back to normal. Good. Right here. Great. Okay, come on up. We'll bring it back in the chair here. Great. So we got her pretty much back to normal, so we're going to cut her loose today, and you can come back if you feel like things are not quite right, or if you just feel like you need to tune up sometime.
Perfect.
That's what we're here for.
All right,
Okay,
thank you
good.
so much.
Thank you. You guys have a good one. I'm Dr. Craig Butler.